Hello everyone, myself Priyanka pursuing BBA first year in VTP University Amravati. My first year have come to an end. Today I am here to tell you about a course named Business Foundation taught by Professor Samuel Johnson sir. I have been learning this course in the second semester and it has been a great experience. Samuel sir always encourages his students to try something new. I have learned this so much in my classes. In so many other courses, we just have to go through the materials and give the exam. But here in this course, everything depends on our classroom participation, and we get to know many new things. In this course, we had many guest lectures and also came to know how to make a podcast and how to use different websites. And we also made a podcast in Praful Billor, the MBA Chaiwala. We also had a guest lecture on design thinking by Dr. Michael V. Testani, and we also came to know how to start a startup and how to write a business plan, how to sell our ideas to an investor. And we also got an opportunity to learn about Microsoft Power BI tool, and we also got an opportunity to know about the Loom video making ICT tool, and we were asked to make a Loom video for which we were given some 10 topics and we had to choose any one of them. We also had a meeting on union budget. This union budget was an annual event during which people expect the government to address their financial difficulties and offer the solutions. The year 2020 was a difficult one related to economic issues due to the COVID-19. To revive back, the government has announced certain policies in the budget 2021, and the speaker gave us the outline of the budget as a policy analysis and how it can benefit the various sections of the society. And we also came to know about the Bitrix 24 free collaboration platform and also about the Jack Ma, founder of Alibaba. We also had these TED meetings where we got the chance to listen to the marvelous stories of an incredible line of speakers who, by not giving up, overcame the hurdles. We were also asked to read a book named Ikigai, The Japanese Secret to a Long and Happy Life, where Ikigai means life to be worthwhile. This book not only imparts the theoretical knowledge but also provides practical example. And later we also had a meeting with Muskan Saxena, who is a multi-passionate learning entrepreneur. And lastly, we had a meeting on startup success story during lockdown in London by Subha Ganesh. Even though these classes were done in the pandemic, I am so thankful for Samuel Johnson sir for all the interactive sessions. Hello everyone.